समस्त को नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ। आज विषय हूँ क्वांटिटेटिव एंड लॉजिकल थिंकिंग। फर्स्ट चैप्टर क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड एंड डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन। वीडियोटी भल लगी से सब जनते देखूँ। चलते आरंभ करवा। यूनिट 1 होल नंबर्स, इंटीजर्स, रेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल नंबर्स, फ्रैक्शंस, स्क्वायर रूट्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स, सर्ट्स एंड इंडिसेस, प्रॉब्लम्स और नंबर्स divisibility. Definitions. Whole numbers, all positive numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Prime numbers, a number that is divisible only by itself and 1 is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Prime numbers are whole numbers. The smallest prime number is 2. थर्ड पॉइंट हूँ को प्राइम, रिलेटिवली प्राइम, म्यूचुअली प्राइम. टू नंबर्स ए एंड बी नॉट बोथ नेसेसरली प्राइम आर सेड टू बी को प्राइम, रिलेटिवली प्राइम और म्यूचुअली प्राइम if the only positive integer that divides both of them is 1. For example, 15 and 22 are co-prime because the only common divisor is 1. Integers, all the positive and negative numbers including 0 are called integers. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Rational numbers, the set of numbers which can be written in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. For example, 115 by 4, 0, 26 by 5, -22 by 9, ... Irrational numbers, the set of numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q are called irrational number. For example, √2, 3 √3. Real number contains the set of whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational number. For example, 1, -2, 0 are √2, etc. Basic formula. 1 a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b square minus a minus b square is equal to 4ab. A plus b square plus a minus b square is equal to 2a square plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b bracket. A plus b square a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca bracket. a3 plus b3 bracket is equal to a plus b a square minus ab plus b square bracket. a3 minus b3 is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. a3 plus b3 plus c3 minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca bracket. Short examples. If 1/3 of 1/4 of a number is 15, then 3/10 of that number is solution. Let the number be x. Then 1/3 of 1/4 of x is equal to 15 is equal to x is equal to 15 into 12 is equal to 180. So required number is equal to 3/10 into 180 bracket is equal to 54. Second, the sum of two numbers is 25 and their difference is 13. Find their product. Solution. Let the numbers be x and y. Then x plus y is equal to 25 and x minus y is equal to 13. 4xy is equal to x plus y square minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 25 bracket square is equal to minus 13 bracket square is equal to 625 minus 169 bracket is equal to 456. Xy is equal to 114. वीडियो भल लगे